Bathurst Bay was the site of the biggest maritime disaster of Australia's history, in fact. Back in 1899, the 4th of March, Cyclone Mahina trapped 50 pearling schooners or luggers in the bay. Of the 50, 49 were sunk, only one survived. And 282 sailors, mainly divers and deckhands, drowned on 49 boats. Japanese divers, Aboriginal divers, and Europeans. The storm was 880 kilopascals, the lowest ever recorded in the southern hemisphere, with a tidal surge estimated at 13 metres. In fact, so high that they found dolphins on the cliffs. An amazing story, but it must have been an absolutely massive storm.